Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a simpler tutorial for you guys. A while ago I did an easy cake decorating tutorial. I will put it on the screen if you haven't seen it yet, and you guys seem to absolutely love it. So today we're going to do a super easy tutorial on cake pops. So let's get right into the video. So the great thing about cake pops is that you can use leftover cake to make them, so that's what I like to do. I've got some leftover chocolate cake here and some chocolate buttercream. Use whatever flavor you like, and you just want to crumble up the cake. Promise I washed my hands. So you're gonna end up with a nice big bowl of cake crumbs, just like that. And then we're going to start adding buttercream to this. So you're going to start with a little bit of buttercream at a time until the cake sticks together. I'll show you what that looks like. And once again, you got to get in there with your hands. Okay, so I've got a nice consistency here. It's not too wet, but you can see that the cake is easily going to stick together. I'll show you the consistency. And now I'm going in with this little baby ice cream scoop. And I'm going to do 2 scoops per cake pop. You can make them whatever size you like. And then just roll it into a ball. So I've got my cake all rolled up here. I'm just going to put it in the fridge and let it set completely. Okay, so the cake is nice and firm now. And I've got some candy melts here. These are some pink candy melts. And I've just melted these up in the microwave. You want to do 20 or 30 seconds, stir, and then do it again until they're completely melted. So what I'm going to do is take a cake pop stick, dip that in the candy melts, and then put that into the cake. That's going to make sure that the cake pop doesn't fall off of the stick. And then that'll set up pretty quickly because the cake pops are really cold. We're going to dip it back into the candy melt. And then I've just got some styrofoam that I'm going to place it into to set. So what we're going to do is first take half the cake pops, dip them in the chocolate, and let those set. And then we're going to add a white chocolate drizzle after. And then the other half, we're going to dip them and right away add some, I'm using this gold pearlized sugar. You can use sanding sugar or any sprinkles you like, but I like this. You can see it has a really nice texture, and I think it's just a little bit more sophisticated than your typical sprinkles, but use whatever you like. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our little cake pop, make sure it's nice and cold. If you need to, even put it in the freezer. And then we're gonna put it right into the candy melts, dip it right in. Make sure it's completely covered, and then pull it back out, and just tap off any excess. Then I'm just going to put it in the styrofoam to set. So now on the second floor, I'm going to sprinkle that gold sugar on top. Super cute. So now we're going to do the white drizzle on half of the cake pops. If you want to leave this super simple, just leave this part out. You can do them all in sprinkles. They'll still look adorable. But for this part, I've got some white candy melts, and I'm just going to pour it into this piping bag. And then I'm just going to cut a tiny hole in the bag, and we're going to drizzle it all over the cake pop. have our cute little cake pops. They're super cute and as you saw, super easy. I just put them in a cup with some sprinkles and that's really nice to display them and it holds them straight up. And yeah, that is all for today's video, guys. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or what you want to see next. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you're not already and follow my Instagram at Desserts by Areesa. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye! Okay, so I've got my cake pop ball. Well, what do you call this? Cake pops. But they're not pops yet. They're not on the pop. They're just cake balls.
Yep. But that's gonna sound hilarious.